In this video, we will show you how to install a new fuel pump on a Chevy Malibu 2005. This procedure also applies for most Malibu and Cavaliers. Because the fuel pump is located inside the fuel tank, we need to lower the tank to access the fuel pump from the top. To remove this fuel tank, we have to disconnect the box where the charcoal filter and the canister valve solenoid are. We also need to disconnect the fuel lines. To lower the fuel tank, we need to remove the metal bracket in 4 points. I will follow along with the camera to show you where each is located. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, remove the 2 rubber holders for the exhaust pipe. To disconnect the fuel line, you just need to press down on the connector and pull the line. To lower the tank, I loosen the front screw first and let the front of the tank go down first. Then I disconnected the fuel hose to the tank. When removing the screw on the rear part of the fuel tank, we need to use an extension because the space is very narrow. Before lowering the rear part of the tank, make sure the tank is supported by a jack. Once the screw of the back of the bracket are off, you can lower the tank using the jack. With the tank down, you have better access to remove the evap container and remove the fuel pump. Start by disconnecting the electrical connection. Don't worry about the order. They all have different connections, so there's no chance to get them wrong. To remove the pressure ring that holds the pump down to the tank, tap it on the edge with a screwdriver and a hammer. Then pull the pump out. Look for another video on my channel where I explain in more detail how the evap system works and what is the role of the canister valve solenoid, or check out the top corner for the link to the video. We're ready to put the tank and for the final recommendation. But before we go there, I would like to ask for your support by subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button. And if you want to get notifications about new videos, click on the bell icon. Thanks. Finally, to put a new fuel pump into the tank, I highly recommend to pull the tank all the way out. It will be easy to put pressure on the locking ring. I tried so many times without pulling the tank out, and it took me forever. Pull the tank all the way out and you can save some time and effort. Thanks for watching and good luck in your project.